Welcome back to the
Fisher Show.
That's right. And what are we doing today, Fisher?
Open up zombie trucks versus zombie hunters.
Oh. Who's that?
It's zombie hunters versus zombies.
And we have Monster Mutt. And EarthShaker. And so over here we have some extra zombies.
Yeah.
They're already open, so we'll just show you guys. This is Pirate Curse Zombie.
And the other ones are in Mama's car. We could do a quick video when Mama gets back. We could do a quick video of all of the monster trucks racing.
Oh, that would be really cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
Or the zombie ones.
So are you going to open these right now?
Yeah.
So while he starts to open that up, we're going to check out Mohawk Warrior. It's really cool graphics there. Oh, look at that. Super cool Mohawk. Really awesome wheels.
Oh, I found my little crack in your... Whoa.
The zombies are hungry.
Good thing there's a screen.
We're a little outnumbered though. We only have one hunter versus 3 zombies.
We need to get more of these.
Mm-hmm.
So I get them. Oh, hunters.
Oh, let's take one out. Let's take out the hunter. He's gonna come over here. Gotta get away from the zombies. Hey.
Actually,
Hey. Alright, you cannot get bit by those zombies, okay? You cannot get bit.
and you shoot a zombie.
Alright?
And you
Stay
shoot
back, stay back. I'm gonna take care of them. This is a truck review, so let's check out EarthShaker. Look at the little graphics here. Whoa. There's some zombie arms hanging off there and zombie chains. Oop, there's another zombie back there. Oh, and green stuff in the back. How cool.
That's zombie. That's zombie killer.
Alright, and then let's check out our last one, guys. This is the Monster Mutt zombie. Really awesome, bright red and green colors. Its wheels are so bright. Green windshields.
Oh, there's also a
Oh, and there's a zombie in there.
Let me see the zombie.
Whoa, I made him do a wheelie.
That's actually a zombie. Watch this. He's going to jump some zombies all the way to the zombie hunter side. It almost says cheerleader. Yeah. Now I'm going to. Oh, that was
Back your way.
And EarthShaker goes all the way to the zombie side and
Uh-oh. Looks like he's gonna take out that zombie. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yeah. There he went. He's gone. Next. Here comes Monster Mutt. Ah, he's getting him. He's getting him. Ah.
Thanks for watching the Fisher Show.